In many areas of the world, there is not enough natural good quality of drinking water, and the need for it is increasing. Drinking water can be produced from seawater, which most common is done in large installations where the salt is separated from the water with a high pressure technology or an evaporation and condensation system. However, both these types of installations are very expensive and use a lot of energy. As a result, for many communities, this cannot be a solution. And to that, these installations produce about 40% of drinking water and 60% of a high salt concentrated rest product, which is very toxic for both the animal and plant life. Also, storage of the salt on land creates an environmental problem. Now, where seawater is available and the required energy as well as the financial investment have to stay limited and environmental side effects have to be avoided, the drinking water system of a cup of sea can be of help. The A Cup of Sea system extracts drinking water from seawater in a sustainable and effective way, heating up by the sun and cooling down by the sea waves. This system contains floating evaporation and condensation units to extract drinking water from seawater, heated by the sun and cooled by the sea waves. In this process, nature does the job. No external energy and no pollution or hinder for sea life. The process is as simple as effective and can be applied on a large or on a local scale. And this is how it works. The units, at topside closed, float on the seawater. The seawater freely flows in and out through the partially open bottom of the units. By the heat of the sun, water inside the units will evaporate, and waves that move freely over the units create a continuous cooling of the topside planes, resulting in a very effective condensation and more accumulated water. The water then flows into the gutters at both sides of the units and from there into floating buffer tanks where the water will stay cool and fresh. From there it can be pumped ashore. The results are no increasing salt level of the seawater, no hinder for sea life, a drastic reduction of the need of energy, a required only limited financial investment, and the availability of a sustainable produced good quality of drinking water. So, then let us have a cup of sea.